We are wrapping up this Fed week with pro trader Jared Levy, Director of Investments at DBHW. Good to see you, Jared. What tops your trading list?
Yeah, we got through the Fed meeting, right? I mean, the Fed acknowledged that the labor market, the issues there are far more important. He didn't say far, but I believe he thought that are more important, at least, than the near-term pressures on inflation, right? So one of the things I'm watching, core PCE on Friday. If that comes in hot, you're going to see a market reaction to that. The one thing I will say here, from a technical level, the S&P 500 has been just banging its head on this upper Bollinger Band, just keeps testing it. That means it's kind of overbought because there really hasn't been relief. So if you're a short-term trader, I'd like to see a pullback down to 6,500 before I would like to put new money to work. If you're a longer-term investor, that doesn't matter so much. But going into the weekend, I think it's critical that we watch the action late in the day. The last half an hour of trading, if traders are buying in, that's a show of confidence, obviously. If they're selling, probably going to be a little bit more of a move down, and you'd probably want to maybe stay out because that selling will likely continue into Monday. The other thing I'm watching is just big tech and banks. How are those industries moving? Obviously, as you move into lower interest rate environments, those could flourish. But like we've talked about, it's not going to be, the tide that lifts all ships here. I think investors are really starting to pinpoint and single out the stocks that they want to be in. So don't just go in and all in on tech, all in on banks, all in on risk. Be specific with your investments.
This is really a stock picker's market. Thank you so much, Jared.
Thanks, Angie.